friends, get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing a Nissan GTR R35. All right, so for this, I have my stencil ready. And if you don't have one, remember, you can just use a lid of some type, of a bottle. There's circles all over the place. So to start with, I'm gonna get my circle here and just draw a circle. And then I'm going to draw a circle inside that circle. And I think I want it to be a little bit bigger because the tread on this is pretty little, being a sports car and all. So then I'm going to move it across. Start with the inside. And I'm going to go to the outside. Go. Then I don't need that anymore. Then I'm going to go to my ruler and I'm going to start kind of down low because this car is low to the ground. So I'm going to start with a line that's not going to touch the wheel, and then I'm going to draw a little line in the front and in the back, and then I'm going to draw another line above that line. Okay, then I'm going to put a dot here, and in that dot, I'm going to draw a V, a V, a V, a V, more V's, and there is the rims, I guess you would call it, dot, V, right, then I'm going to draw a line from here coming around and back down, coming around and back down. I'm going to draw a little line up and another line up, another line across, another line across for the under part, and then back here I'm going to draw it, and it's going to kind of come up like so, and then it's got another line coming up like so. Move that farther up there. Then this line comes up, out, and back in. Then it's got a spoiler that, and then it's got a line coming in. There we go. All right, then if I go to the middle and I come up, I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a nice curving line down to here, and then I'm going to come this way and draw a nice curving line down, which is gonna, there we go, line up there. And then I have the front here that's gonna come up, another line here, another line diagonal, coming up, back, coming around. Then I have got more to the car in the front here. Coming down like so. A little shape here. A couple lines there. Line there. That looks pretty good. All right. Then I have a line back, kind of heads up, then a diagonal line, and another line that follows this, and it comes back down, and a double line, and a line here for the door, then it comes back out, door handle, and then we have a curve like a C for the rear or the side mirror, and then we have the other front of the door, and then we have a horizontal line, diagonal line, horizontal line, and this one kind of has a couple lines there, and we can draw some glass. Right, then I'm gonna put, there we go. And you know what, these wheels actually have a circle in the middle that is blank. All right, so this is kind of white in the middle. I think that looks better. And do we have any rear? Maybe a little something here. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, hey, if you enjoyed this drawing, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.